This is Democracy Now!, democracynow.org, The War and Peace Report. I'm Amy Goodman in Santa Fe, New Mexico. Nermeen Sheikh is in New York. As American consumers flood Apple stores to buy the new iPhone 5, thousands of Chinese workers staged a one-day strike Friday at the Foxconn factory, known for poorly treating workers who help make Apple products such as the iPhone. The group China Labor Watch says up to 4,000 Foxconn workers walked off the job in protest of new employee demands, including working through a holiday that began last week. Foxconn also allegedly raised overly strict demands on product quality without providing worker training for the corresponding skills, leading to high levels of stress. This is what one Foxconn worker told a CNN reporter earlier this year about her experience. She preferred to remain anonymous so as not to lose her job.
It's so boring. I can't bear it anymore. Every day was like, I get up from work and I go to bed. I get up in the morning and I go to work. It became my daily routine, and I almost felt like I was some kind of animal.
That was a Chinese worker at Foxconn, Apple's controversial Chinese supplier. Foxconn initially denied that a strike was taking place, but later said a small number of workers had participated in a dispute that was quickly resolved. Late last month, thousands of workers at another Foxconn plant also rioted. Democracy Now! Contacted Apple but did not receive a response. Well, for more, we're joined now by the founder and executive director of China Labor Watch, Li Qiang. He will be translated from Chinese into English by Bessie Zhang. Welcome to Democracy Now!, Li Qiang. Can you talk about what happened last Friday at the Foxconn plant in China?
你们大致讲一下，在上个礼拜富士康发生了一些什么事情？
就是说上个礼拜呢，因为 iPhone 突然增加了它的整个的这个质量的要求，然后呢，就是说要求这个，然后这样的话就会，就是说有工人就会就投诉，就是说它引起了就消费者的投诉，然后呢，这些工人呢，就是因为它质量要求了，然后他就有这个那个就工人打了这个品管。
Because there was a complaint from several clients of the iPhone 5 that there are scratch or dentures, and then so Apple increased the standards of the iPhone 5, the cases, and other qualifications. So there is complaints, and also the workers they were not receive such trainings, and then when they are bearing such pressure, they started to hit the quality control inspectors, because those inspectors, they are examining very strictly on those qualities. So there is conflicts, and then they decided to stop working on the production lines.
就在10月1号和2号有些工人。
Li Qiang, what do you
Sorry.
What do you think needs to happen now? We are hearing about the thousands of people walking out. There are millions of phones all over this country. The iPhone 5 is probably one of the most popular products in history. What do you think Americans should know? People all over the world should know.
那他说，因为现在那么多的工人走出了这个工厂，然后在罢工，而 iPhone 5现在是相当于在美国的这个销量非常好，然后是非常炙手可热的这个货物。那你觉得对于美国的消费者来说，需要做的是什么？
我觉得他们可以跟那个苹果施加一些影响，要求苹果改善工厂的劳动条件。
I think they can exert some influence on the Apple company so that Apple can try to improve some of the working conditions of those factories in China.
这个实际上，这个苹果可以，比如说苹果可以去培训这些工人，然后就苹果去对这些富士康工人进行培训，然后来改善工人的这个福利。
So Apple can offer some trainings to the workers so that their working conditions can be improved and their benefits and salaries can be increased somehow.
实际上，这一次那个富士康的罢工的话，实际上就是由于消费者的投诉引起的。
This time for the strike was originally caused by the complaints from the clients of or the consumers of the iPhone 5.
那么就有些消费者写信给那个苹果的这个苹果公司，然后苹果公司就把压力压给富士康，富士康就把这个压力转给工人身上。
Because they wrote letters or emails to Apple company, and then the Apple company just transferred this pressure onto Foxconn CEOs or management, and then Foxconn transferred this pressure or put this pressure onto the factories.
那么有些工人就因为就是因为他这个质量出了问题，就交不了货的话，他就打这个品管。
because there's the products that have been manufactured on the production lines cannot live up to the standard of their qualifications. So the workers started to hit the quality control inspectors.
那么10月1号和2号有些工人。
Li Qiang, we want to thank you very much for being with us, founder and executive director of China Labor Watch. Li Qiang, thank you so much.